Hello everyone, and welcome to Mr. B's short English lesson. Today we talk about the past perfect. I'm going to show you when you use the past perfect, how you use the past perfect. I'm going to talk about signal words and about some examples. We start with when do you use the past perfect. And in order to illustrate it, this is the time. And in green you can see a moment in time, and this is now. So when you're talking about now, you have to use a present tense like simple present or present progressive. So everything left from now is the past. And this specific time in the past is the simple past. So when you talk about something that is on this timeline left from now, it's past tense, and a specific point in the past is the simple past. When we want to talk about the past perfect, we need something that is even further back than the simple past, and that's the past perfect. So we use the past perfect when we want to show that one action happened before another action in the past. So you need two actions. One is in the past, and when you want to show that another action is even further back in the past, then you use the past perfect for this action. How do you do it? How do you use the past perfect? When you want to build the past perfect, you need had and the third form of the verb. The third form of the verb is verb plus ed, and the irregular form is the third form. You have to learn those by heart. So signal words and examples, we have a look at those together. Here we start, the first example and the signal words. She knew where the restaurant was because she had been in the city before. When you look at this example, you can see you have two actions in the past. She knew where the restaurant was is one, and even further back in the time, even further back in the past, is the moment when she had been in this city before. So you have to use the past perfect there. So in the first part of the sentence, this is the moment in the past. You use the simple past. Knew and was is simple past. And in the second part of the sentence, you have the signal word before. Before is a signal word because it shows that it is even further back in the past, and then you use had been here, and this is the past perfect. Let's look at a second example with the other signal word. After we had bought the house, we moved in. So here we have the past perfect in the first part of the sentence, because after is a signal word. The buying of the house is further back because first you buy the house and then you move in. So the action when you buy the house is further back in time. That's why you use the past perfect in this sentence, in this part of the sentence. And in the second part of the sentence, the moving in is closer to now. That's why you use the simple present in this part of the sentence. So signal words for the past perfect, there are two that should show you that you have to use the past perfect. It's after and it's before. Well, so much for the past perfect. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.